Man, it sure does feel like February 2016.
It's a really nice winter morning we're having.
Yeah, clearly morning.
February 2016.
Yeah.
Our appropriately aged sizes. Multiple colors. So I went out and I got the Glowforge.
I was thinking about getting a Glowforge,
No,
but
I already got it.
I wanted like 8,000 fidget spinners.
I worked like 6 shifts for this thing.
But I need 8,000 fidget spinners.
You can work some shifts.
I don't have a. They're not gonna get 8,000 fidget spinners. Like I wanted 8,000, like not 7,999.
So when do you think it'll actually come? Because I don't think these things ever really come.
This is a Kickstarter, so you know it could be as late as 2017.
I'm just, I'll be happy if it's before I finish fellowship. Does it end there?
You're stuck.
What kind of fan am I?
I don't even know. What's happening? Of course, there's a lot happening. Wait, no.
Alright.
Alright.
Yep.
Okay. Open the door.
Okay.
You ready?
Ready?
Okay. Wow! Oh my god! I knew not the forces in which I meddled. Alright, this is a Glowforge. It is made out of lasers and also glass, plastic, metal, and other things. Don't know precisely how to take this thing out. And here I'm going to give it its first fingerprint.
Oh no, hey.
There it is. You're ignoring the fingerprint completely. The thing is actually popping open. I don't know if that's supposed to happen. It's glued. Hold on. Look at this. We actually have a problem off the bat. Don't want to send this back. Okay, so we're actually going to take this thing out because screw this. Because there's.
What all the damages are, if any.
All right. Here we go. All right, and 3, 4, 5. Wait. 3, 2. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, darn it. This thing, this right here, constitutes one of the most crucial. This joke is old. All right. So yeah, it looks like we got some stuff here. Hang on. Hold on, let me see the chip. Oh no. Oh, that is a severe. Oh boy. We're gonna need a whole new Glowforge. This is pretty cracked.
Oh, this is so frustrating. I hope it's not another 3 years. After hours unboxing.
Okay.
So this game.
So we are the safest parents ever who allow their children to play with box knives. Box knives are not toys, they're tools.
Okay. And we're going to try
That's my microphone.
to unbox this quickly to see if it's okay.
Our offspring! Look at the camera, say hi.
Hi.
Ian's randomly saying hi.
Hi.
No, don't sit on the Glowforge. We had to like send the other one back because it was damaged. Can you keep these things safe? Those are handles. Yeah, it is. There's a tab that's snapped. So we have 3 of the 4 handles. The last time we got one of these, we had 3 of 4 handles. The 4th handle was in the box. I'm curious to see if it'll actually be in this box again. I don't want that to not be in the box because I want my handles. Aiden's trying to put it back. What are you doing, buddy? You're helping? Hey, guess what? You got a hug. Right. Hey, guess what? Hold these. Hey, guess what? I need your help. I need you. Now, very carefully. I will teach you how to use a box knife. It's going to be a while, though. All right. Hey, guess what? Gravity. Hey, guess what? Round 2. Come here, your shoulders. There we go. All right, you. You say, hey, Daddy. You aren't a waste of carbon.
You want to waste your carbon?
Let's do it. Let's do it. We're doing it. Ah! It's not on fire.
Yay!
High five. So they should come off. In case you're wondering, when you open your Glowforge, there will be sound effects. This time, it seems like it opens and, hey look, nothing seems broken.
Good. See if it turns on right now.
Okay,
Oh, and there's stuff in there.
there's stuff. Look, it's a gantry and a camera and a laser tube and some packaging stuff and then some desiccant. Hey Aiden, guess what? You're doing something that most adults can't do. Most adults can't squat like that. How about this backside? Did you look at this? And here you have the Glowforge.
So everything looks intact. We're gonna wait till Monday to actually open things up, fire it up, laser it up. Woo! Glowforge!
A thing. I'm going to unbox this box. There's tape, a box cutter. Why? Ah, there's lasers. I haven't even opened the box and there's already lasers. Across the room, you're like 30 feet away. That's actually a really good shot. You should be in Star Trek. Not in my eyes. Teeth, eyes, what's the difference? They're like the same organ. Are teeth organs? Here we go. What? Here we go. Oh, there's more stuff. Here we don't go, because there's more pieces of tape I have to cut. Unboxing is hard, okay? Look, just when you unbox stuff, you can cast the first boxes, okay? Don't judge lest ye be unboxed. That was good. Now it's still not going up. Oh. Ah, there we go. We have a hose. Hi, Mom. So there's also like a thing in here, which I guess is like a clamp. Rip open this foil. Ooh, look at that, that's satisfying. That is so satisfying. That is the funnest thing I've done all day. Now the question is, will it ever squish back down? Yes, it will. Oh, and I can do it like more than once? Oh man, that's so good. I gotta put that down. This looks like a crumb tray to me. Is that it? There's a lot of box for not a lot of stuff. So they have some Desiccant. Desiccant? Desiccant. There we go. There we go. Kind of hard to see, but I got to remove these red knobs here. You also come with these little washers you got to make sure you keep. The coolest laser safety glasses. Wipes? Oh man, looks like a power cable. What is this thing? I don't know. All right, now to get rid of this thingy. And in fact it did. Now I have to move this thing back. I'm getting rid of these little doodles. All right, goodbye things. All right, so it says lower the front door. This requires some force because there's magnets holding it in place. Yeah, those are the friction strips, I guess. This little thing here, I guess, is a magnet. Oh, there it is. That's the super delicate part. This is where that ribbon is gonna go. But just make sure you're not touching anything but that finished black surface. Goes in. So you can actually see the ribbon is still under there. So basically we have a venting system that goes out through this brick wall here. The idea is you've got this little slidey thing and it opens and closes. Here we are. This is the Glowforge ready to fire lasers. So here we go, without further ado. All right, there's bubbles, humming sounds, lights. There's all sorts of craziness going on here. The Glowforge with a slow hand. I don't know what it's doing. It's like being a laser. There's like bubbles, because evidently laser bubbles. So once upon a time, there was a laser. He then found a piece of glowing and then was forged into a thing. This is it. Oh, there's a plane. I have completely disrupted everything I've ever done with my entire life. We're now at the stage where we have hooked it up to Wi-Fi. Boom. I can't tell you when. This thing can tell, is the only thing that can tell me when. Wait, hold on. Hold on. What are you doing? No. Oh wow, that's going everywhere. Let's hope that stays solid. All right, I see a hole in this thing already. All right, it's time to turn this off. How do we do this? Can you hit the little button in there? Back there. Pull the cord? No, there you go, thank you. So we're gonna try this again without the, smoke and fire. Scanning, all right. All right, wait. Yeah. No, wait, hold on. Oh, what? Okay, hold on, and go. yeah, we have been playing with the Glowforge. That's pretty cool.
It really, it works very well.
It shoots lasers.
It does make
pretty
lasers,
cool.
and it cuts things.
We can make rubber stamps. That's pretty cool.
And I think you made some kind of 3D embossed thing.
Man, it's a good thing that anything we're saying is going to be picked up by that, that microphone at all.
Yeah.
You guys want to take my lap?
And they're very wet.
Oh, God. I caught him. All right, whatever. That's good enough.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe. If you really like the video, come on over to our Patreon page where you can get involved and see all the cool stuff we're doing.